Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good evening, Michelle.
Good evening.
Can you just tell us something about आज की इस संध्या के बारे में आपके विचार?
मैं हर साल यहाँ पे हलो अवार्ड पे आती हूँ, हॉल ऑफ फेम पे, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यहाँ पे अच्छे लोगों को आप सम्मानित करते हो एंड उनका गौरव करते हो। सो मैं बहुत हैप्पी होती हूँ हर साल यहाँ पे जो अच्छा काम करते हैं उनके लिए मैं वेटिंग में रहती हूँ कि कौन क्या काम कर रहा है। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
समाज के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों से लोगों को सम्मानित किया जाता है और इस बार भी लोग शामिल होंगे। आपके विचार में राजनीति और समाज के किन व्यक्तित्व को आप एक प्रेरणादायक रूप में मानते हैं?
कोई छोटा है या बड़ा है, बट जो कोई अच्छा काम करता है उसका जो यहाँ पे गौरव किया जाता है वो सबसे अच्छा लगता है। और कोई भी अच्छा काम करे तो ऑफ कोर्स उसको सम्मानित करना चाहिए। एंड हलो जो काम कर रही है वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है। थैंक यू सो मच।
I feel fantastic here. I've been actually a follower of Hello for a while now, and it's an honor to be here among all of you. So I'm really looking forward to the wonderful function and very excited, raring to go. Yeah? My first project, it's called Pagal, and really excited about it. It's my debut. I've been a theatre actor, so this is my first film really, and I've had a ball shooting it, and my director Chirag has been one of my closest friends, so to be associated on a project with him and with Mr. Jayantilal Gada, Pen Studios, it's an honor. This is my first experience with the camera. I've been an assistant director, assistant writer before this, so I'm really looking forward, and hopefully we should release the film soon, and hopefully you'll love it. Anji. No, I've been to these awards or other one. Yes, this is my first time. I was a very busy assistant director before this, so I was usually traveling for shoot and busy with, helping people make films. So this is my first Hello Awards, and I'm very excited to be here.
As you start your career after
Sure.
Does fame matters for you, or you look for something else?
I look for satisfaction here. I look for that feeling that I can go home and sleep well and wake up fresh the next day raring to go again. So fame is a byproduct here. It's just about feeling satisfied with the day and getting good sleep at night. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pleasure to be here. Bye.
Glitz, glam, and some really cool awards. Yeah. Tonight I'm not getting any award, but yeah, I'm here to celebrate everybody's awards. Yes, I am doing a film called Bypass Road with Neil Nitin Mukesh. It's his first home production, and his brother Naman is directing it. It's a really, really cool project and something very, very different than what I've done before. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm not allowed to say that. It's a surprise. Yes, very excited. Neil is a fabulous actor, and he's very intelligent. He knows about everything, when he's working. So it's very inspiring to work with him, actually. I look up to going on a shoot and learning so many things from him because he knows so much about every field. Yeah, it's fantastic. You think? I think Neil's going to kill me if I do that, like right away. Gone. We will speak about it when the time comes, of course. All I can say is I'm very excited. I don't know if I'm okay to say that, but I'm the most important thing in the film, so yeah. Huh? My outfit, I'm wearing myself today. I thought it's, I think their theme is white, so this is the closest to white I could get. Thank you. Bye.
I'm expecting a lot of brilliant talent coming together, and it's the first time I'm attending an event after my film. So it's pretty good. Like, I've started filming for Panipat, so this is quite a nice break where I'll get to see everybody and have fun. So that's the idea. I think it's very challenging, यार. मुझे 2 घंटे तो तैयार होने में लगते हैं, so it's quite challenging. But I hope it gives the return that we want. And Ashutosh Gowarikar, I think he's a legend, and he's such a brilliant filmmaker when it comes to period drama, especially. So I'm very excited, and I'm playing Bajirao Mastani's son. So there's a backdrop, and yeah, I hope I live up to the expectations. Actually, I started shooting for Panipat in November. So abhi to bahut der ho gayi hai, but abhi May tak we are shooting, and I did horse riding, and lots of homework has gone into it. But we'll talk about it, the homework, closer to the release. That's better, no? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's my first time, yeah.
What do you expect from the fame and reality?
Well, I haven't come with any expectations. I'm just very excited because, yeah, it's my first time today at this event. So, yeah, just seeing what all new designers are there to look out for. Fame. Fame, I don't know if fame really matters. That's a good question. I don't think fame matters. I feel respect matters more, if you ask me.
Could you describe your dress for tonight?
I'm wearing Shantanu and Nikhil for the first time also. And I love the Indian vibe which it has. And Shanti bol rahe hain. Koi nahi, aap kha lo. No, sorry. I was saying, yeah, I love the fact that it's Indian, but at the same time it looks Western. It's westernized with the pants and everything. So, yeah, loving the dress.
What can you be expected in the coming days and
Well, right now you can see me on Abhay on Z5, and we have Sacred Games 2 coming very, very soon. So we're all excited for that. And yeah, I shall be starting my film soon too. So that's happening. क्या status है? Shooting हो गई अभी. That's done. We're starting dubbing soon. The edit is going on, and yeah, it's happening very soon.
will it be magnified, amplified in terms of the premise which it had before?
You mean like Sacred Games Season 1?
Yes.
If you ask me, I say Sacred Games Season 2 is even bigger. Much bigger. The story is taking, like, the course which is taking, we as actors were surprised that what have these writers written, and it's so beautifully written and it's so beautifully shot that even Nawaz, so he was like you're taking us to another level. So it is another level, and I'm super excited for that. It's like,
Seth is also there, and any
yes.
addition in the cast or change in the...
Yes, there is an addition to the cast because obviously a lot of people died in season 1. So we have a lot of new people, a lot of amazing new characters. And yeah, even Sef's part is just another thing. And even Zoya and Jamila's part, which I'm playing, is taking... I'm so excited, I don't even know like how to tell you because I can't reveal much. But it's just going to be humongous.
Can DH probably more excited this time?
Me? Yes, definitely. Because I'm comparing season 1 with season 2 and I'm just seeing where we have reached. So it is obviously exciting. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good evening to you. अरे थैंक यू. आप तो लेकिन हमेशा से तारीफ करते आए हैं, है ना? दिस इज़ नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो थैंक यू सो मच. रियली स्वीट ऑफ यू.
सवाल कहीं से नहीं आए.
ओह इज इट? कहाँ देखना है मुझे? इधर? ओके सॉरी. या Oh yeah, I'm wearing Leah stubble and yeah, what do I say? आप बताइए कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? आपने तो तारीफ कर ही दी है. So yeah, yeah, I mean because white and black theme था, so I had to choose something from either black or white family. So yeah, this is something close to white. हाँ, तो इत्तेफाक रखते हैं. स्वीट. डन.
पहली बार है आपका
जी हाँ, हेलो हॉल ऑफ फेम अवार्ड्स में मैं पहली बार आ रही हूँ और लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़, है ना.
फेम के व्हाट यू मैटर्स टू यू मोस्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फेम.
What matters to me most when it comes to fame? I think I want to be known as an actor more than being a heroine. I want to be known as an actor because when I was a kid तब मुझे लगता था कि मुझे हीरोइन बनना है. I want to get into the glamour world, but now जैसे जैसे बड़ी हो रही हूँ I want to become an actor. So I want people to know me as an actor, as a good actor. And you know, yeah, that is fame for me, I would say.
You think you are matured in these years?
I have. आप बताइए, आप भी तो मुझे इतने टाइम से देखते आ रहे हैं. So I think I have evolved. Yeah, I feel so.
इलेक्शन में
Oh, politics. हाँ जी.
लोग आपके वर्ड्स को मायने रखते हैं.
जी.
तो अगर आप उनको एनकरेज करना चाहें, कुछ कहना चाहें, तो आए और वोट दें.
हाँ. यार यही बोलूँगी कि मतलब इलेक्शंस एंड स्पेशली हमारी जो यूथ है, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू वोट. एंड आप जिसको भी सपोर्ट करते हैं, जिस भी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करते हैं, जो भी आपको लगता है हमारी अगली पार्टी होनी चाहिए, हमारी अगली इलेक्शन पार्टी होनी चाहिए, आप उनको वोट कीजिए. बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गो एंड वोट. घर से निकलिए, जाके वोट दीजिए. सब आजकल लेज़ी हो गए. तो एक टाइम तक मैं भी थी, बट फिर जब अकल आई तो देन आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड गोइंग इन वोटिंग. सो हाँ, मतलब स्पेशली यूथ के लिए आने वाला कल हम ही तो हैं. सो या, प्लीज़ गेट आउट ऑफ योर हाउसेज एंड गो एंड वोट फॉर whomsoever you want to. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.